Meaning of Day of Judgment.
Day of Judgment.
Day of Judgment.
Day of Judgment.
Day of Judgment. The Day of Judgment, also known as the Day of Resurrection, is a significant event in Islamic eschatology. It is believed to be the day when Allah will judge all humans for their deeds on earth and determine their eternal destiny in either paradise or hell. On this day, all souls will be resurrected, and there will be a great gathering before Allah for judgment. The righteous will receive rewards, while the wicked will face punishment. This day is considered the ultimate accountability for one's actions in life and the beginning of the afterlife.